For years, technology enthusiasts have been asking the same question over and over again. When will a tablet finally become powerful enough to completely replace a traditional laptop? It has been one of the biggest dreams in personal computing for more than a decade. Every year, manufacturers promise that the future is closer than ever, yet every generation of devices seems to come with one frustrating limitation or another. Apple has led this conversation for years with its iPad lineup, constantly promoting the idea that the iPad represents the future of computing. The hardware has always been impressive, but software limitations and compromises in multitasking often prevented the device from truly replacing a professional workstation. That situation may finally be about to change. The technology world is buzzing with reports that the next generation iPad Pro could arrive with Apple's upcoming M6 chipset, and this single upgrade has the potential to completely redefine what people expect from a tablet. This is not shaping up to be another routine annual refresh with slightly better performance numbers and a few cosmetic changes. Instead, it appears to be one of the most significant leaps in the history of the iPad since the product first launched. Supply chain reports and insider leaks are painting the picture of a device that blurs the line between an ultra-portable tablet and a professional desktop workstation. For years, tablets have largely been viewed as content consumption devices. They were perfect for watching movies, browsing the web, reading articles, or scrolling through social media. While recent iPads have certainly pushed beyond those boundaries, the upcoming model could completely change the narrative. The next iPad Pro is being designed not merely as a device for consuming content, but as a machine built for creating it. Whether you are a video editor, photographer, designer, programmer, or music producer, Apple appears to be targeting professional workloads in ways that previous generations could only hint at. Many people look at today's iPad Pro models and wonder how they could possibly become any more powerful. After all, Apple's silicon chips already outperform many laptops on the market, yet Apple reportedly has no intention of simply staying ahead of competitors. Instead, the company appears focused on redefining expectations once again. The M6 chip is expected to bring major improvements not only in raw speed, but also in artificial intelligence performance, machine learning tasks, and energy efficiency. Early reports suggest the M6 processor could deliver up to a 20% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous generation. In an era where annual improvements are often small and incremental, a jump of that size would be enormous. Everyday tasks would feel instantaneous, heavy applications would launch in seconds, and demanding professional software could run effortlessly even under intense workloads. The graphics improvements may be even more impressive. Rumors point to Apple introducing a powerful 12-core GPU inside the iPad Pro for the very first time. If true, users could have desktop-class graphics performance in a device that slips easily into a backpack. Video creators may be able to edit multiple streams of 8K footage without dropped frames, while designers could render complex 3D scenes in real time. Gamers may even experience true console quality, gaming with advanced visual effects and smooth frame rates. Of course, such incredible power raises an important question about cooling. Apple is expected to maintain the incredibly thin 5.3mm design that makes the current iPad Pro feel almost futuristic in the hand. However, fitting this much processing power inside such a slim chassis presents an enormous engineering challenge. Powerful chips generate heat, and unlike laptops, the iPad Pro lacks large cooling fans and heat pipes. This raises concerns about thermal throttling and whether performance can remain consistent during long editing sessions or demanding workloads. Another major rumor involves memory upgrades. Previous iPad Pro models forced users to purchase expensive storage configurations to unlock additional RAM. Professional users often felt frustrated by this approach because they needed more memory but not necessarily more storage. According to recent leaks, Apple may finally abandon that strategy and equip every M6 iPad Pro model with 16 GB of RAM as standard. Even entry-level buyers could receive the full memory configuration without paying a premium. If this proves true, multitasking on the iPad could finally reach its full potential. Applications would remain open in the background for longer periods, external monitor support would feel more desktop-like, and features such as Stage Manager could operate exactly as professionals have hoped for years. Instead of adapting workflows around limitations, users could finally enjoy a device that adapts to the way they work. If Apple successfully delivers on these expectations, the next iPad Pro may not simply compete with laptops. It could become the device that finally replaces them for millions of users around the world.